Hello guys, so welcome back and let's get solving another lead code problem, which is longest common prefix. So basically you will be given a list of strings and you have to find the longest common prefix. By the longest common prefix it means the longest character, the longest starting characters which are common in each word of that list. Suppose here the words are flower, flow and flight. FL is common in all of them. So FL would be the longest common prefix. Okay. So let us start solving. So what I will do is first I will pick up the first word and take that into a list. S1 would be list as of, and here I will do 0. Okay. So I'm just quickly printing S1 to show you what I will get. Print S1, and what I will get is, don't worry about the wrong answer. See, I will get this list. Okay, so this I have gotten I have cracked the first word into separate characters. Res is my output string where I will store the longest common prefix, and now I will take a loop for I in range of length of S1. Okay, I will go through each and every character of S1 and I will initialize a count variable as 0. Let me do it count only. Count is equals to 0. Then let us take another list, another loop for j in range, and my another loop will run from 1 to length of strs, and my second loop will cater the words from the second position of the original list. Basically what I'm doing is I am taking one loop which will have individual character of the first word, and then I will keep on matching the individual character of the first word with the each and every character of the every word that is present in the list. Okay, now but one thing I have to check, I don't need to go out of bounds. So if I is less than or equals to length of strs minus 1, okay, then only I will check if s1 of I is equals to strs of j. Str of j means the first word, and the I means first character of the first word or the second character of the first word likewise. So if it is same, I will increase my count variable by 1, which is count plus 1. Else if they are not equal, I don't have to do anything if they are not equal, so no problem of that. If suppose my I becomes greater, what do you mean if I becomes greater? Suppose I reach somewhere here on the fifth character, which is E, but my flow has only 4 characters, so I don't need to check, because else this will give an out of bound error. Okay, so what I will do, else I will break and come out of that J loop and go to I loop again. Okay, so that I'm checking this at this stage, because else I will get an out of bound error and my program will have runtime error. Okay, so I will now, when j loop ends, I will check if the count is equals to length of strs. Means suppose for f, how many matching would be there? 2, right? So if length of strs is 3 minus 1, so my count would be 2 now. So count, if the count matches of length of strs minus 1, it means f is present in every other word. Okay, because we in for the j loop we are considering position 1, so my j loop starts from this. Okay, j doesn't cater flower, this word is catered by I loop, so that is why I will compare count with length of strs minus 1, written, or let me do print rest as of now. Okay, Mm, this would be written somewhere here after I. So let me run and check. why I'm getting this error if count is, oh sorry, count is equals to length of strs minus 1. Okay, don't worry about the wrong answer because I have used the print statement. I will just see if I'm getting. Okay, let me do return this. 1 minute. I'm not storing. Okay. Just a minute. When count is equal, I have to add this word. Okay, res is equals to res plus str s1 of I. Okay, sorry, I missed this point. S1 of I, and this would be inside of I loop only. And when everything ends, I will just return this. I think now it should work. I have to keep on adding the string which matches and which has all this condition. Keep on adding it to the final variable that we have given the output. Okay. So what we are doing, I'm just taking first word out, splitting it into a character list, then looping through that characters and starting the second loop from first, from one, means from flow, and checking if the first character matches the every other word at the exact same position. And how we are determining exact same position with this str of j of I. J will have, suppose for flow, j will have uh, 1, and I will on the first time would be 0. So 1 of 0 means flows, word flow character 0, which is f only, and I'm incrementing the count. And if my I goes out of bound, I am anyway breaking from j loop and going to I again, so that there is no out of bound error. And when my count becomes equal, means how I'm assuming the count, suppose my I get count of f as 2, means for if how many other words other than flower have f 1 and 2, so means I am taking the count condition and matching it and adding it to the string if the count matches to my condition, and I'm returning that string in the output. So I hope you would have understood this question, and it was a simpler. And keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.